All right, everyone, we're going to take our 2022 SLR Slingshot out for a quick rip around the block and talk to you guys about it. So with the new Slingshots, we are getting the newer engine that came out a few years ago. It's a Polaris engine. It's a 2-liter, 4-cylinder motor. Makes more horsepower than the original GM engine, the 2.4-liter we were running. The cool thing about this motor I like is it's a little bit higher revving motor, so I find it quite a bit sportier and more fun to drive. It's a Class 5 license, so helmets aren't required. You're more than welcome to wear a helmet if you want to, but you are not legally required to wear the helmet, and you just need a Class 5 license, so you don't need a motorcycle license. So you drive a car, you drive a Slingshot. Stands on a Slingshot, it's extremely low and wide, so the handling is just top notch. It's other controlling acceleration, no body roll, get up and get going. Right now this is doing It does have two different power modes, comfort and slingshot mode, which is just on the red button here. We'll get to that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Come down and check out the 22 Slingshot. It's 10 grand off right now, and guaranteed to make you smile.